According to Michigan's DNR, or Department of Natural Resources, 550,000 people hunted whitetail in Michigan in 2017. 49% of these hunters were successful in claiming a deer. The ban on baiting has increased these numbers and percentages dramatically. Last Friday was the opening day of firearms season, and the ban is still applied. But will it last? Knowing the reasons on why the ban should be lifted will illustrate the effect that hunting has on Michigan. Understanding both the arguments and reasons on the ban of baiting can develop a stronger opinion on why the ban should be lifted. I have hunted whitetail in Michigan my entire life, and I've recently done a research paper on CWD, or known as chronic wasting disease. I will go over why the DNR and the Michigan government submitted the ban. Next, I'll describe some of the benefits of hunting for the environment and the people. And lastly, on why the ban should be lifted. The reasons for the submission of the ban on baiting. The primary reason was CWD was found in deer in Michigan. Written by Craig, who is the director of the Michigan DNR, in the Wildlife Conservation Order Amendment number 12 of 2018. Here's the formal amendment. CWD was found in deer in Clinton, Ingham, Ionia, Kent, and Montcalm counties. 30,600 deer were tested, and 57 were found positive in CWD in Michigan. 47 of this 57 was found in 2017's hunting season. CWD is a prion disease and is transmitted in internal contact. This is by feces, urine, and saliva. The host suffers from rotting effects. First, the protein transmits to the brain, and then it takes over from there. The host will suffer from mass starvation, uncontrollable anger, and drooling. Baiting can potentially transmit the disease. On the bottom of page 4, the biological aspect of food and environment, the environment and food contamination from this disease if the food is on the ground too long. The ban is to protect the people and the environment, but instead it's harming. Benefits to the people and environment who hunt deer in Michigan. Hunting benefits all wildlife. Noted by Wagner, who manages the Nebraska Game and Parks Commission in Omaha, he also educates at Bellevue University. In his journal and referred into his magazine, he describes the benefits based on global statistics. Hunting has never led to any species becoming threatened in Michigan. Commissions and applications paid by hunters go towards saving these species. Hunting also manages population and creates a healthy balance between the two. One hunting can result in not having a habitat overran by these species as well. Hunting also helps the people and the economy. Hunting helps the people of Michigan by having a meal that is 100% natural and very healthy. Venison with no added preservatives and no dyes. Farmers who grow crops witness crop damages, and they hunt to control the population with intolerance levels to keep their crops healthy. Hunting helps the economy because hunting is not free. Hunters fill their tanks, eat at restaurants and cafes, they buy clothing and merchandise, and they buy different baits like corn, sugar beets, and mineral blocks. This which helps businesses big and small financially. The benefits of help the people and the environment dramatically. However, the ban has a decreased number of hunters in Michigan adequately. The reason for the ban on baiting needs to be lifted because it is harming and it's not helping. As said by Hoytinga, who is a Michigan representative in her document, Michelle Hoytinga stands for hunters' rights with a new proposal on Hoytinga News. She states, baiting is a method used by hunters for generations, and there is absolutely no evidence it contributes to the spread of CWD. She provides a valid point. Referring back to the amendment, number 12, the experienced results were based on observation and not actual results. These actual results do not contribute to the complete prohibition on baiting. It also implies that natural food, like corn growing off of stalks and apples falling off of trees, that it has the same exact effect of a hunter using these in front of his deer blind. Hunting has a major impact on Michigan. Keeping the ban will cause hunters and families to stop and go somewhere else and do what they love. Hunting also helps the people and the environment dramatically, like I stated. Understanding both the arguments and reasons of the ban on baiting can develop a stronger opinion of why the ban should be lifted. On Tuesday, November 5th, Michigan House of Representatives approved Bill 4687 to allow baiting. With this bill, hunters can now enjoy what they're doing and what they love, fill their freezers for their families, and help improve the environment and the people. Thank you.